Aries, this is Char with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of January 2021. Before we dive into this video, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy new year. I hope the year 2021 brings in untold blessings into your life. We'll rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use an oracle deck. I'm also being called upon to use Archangel Raphael for this reading. This is a love oracle deck that we have. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages, so they may not be in any particular order. Towards the final days of December 2020, stepping into 2021, you were quite restless because we have the Page of Wands here before us. Certainly, you had also got clarity with respect to how you had to proceed in life. Maybe you had got some vision about how you should proceed with respect to work or in life in general. Though you were socializing, you were also quite withdrawn. Maybe you need to distance yourself from certain people. Possibly also a lot of hard work was in store for you in this period, and this had also made you quite restless. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Empress. There'll be work offers, no doubt, but then you may not be too happy with the remuneration on offer. Though you are quite a magnetic personality in this period, but then you may be thinking that the gains you're making are not good enough. Estranged people could also re-enter your life. Incidentally, Aries, I'm also picking up that you should avoid quarrels or disagreements between you and your friends. So you should weigh your words very carefully. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe there'll be increased paperwork or you have to do technical work in this period. Possibly you're rearranging files or data. That's quite a possibility for you. Influences for the month of January, we have the Two of Cups. Like I said, you'll be socializing, there'll be communication with other people, but then you'll also be quite hassled because somebody is quite devious or somebody is always wanting to stir up trouble in your life. So you should be careful about that. Largely, it is also time to smell the roses, or you need to slow down and smell the roses. Overall, there can be contentment in this month. Sometimes you may also feel that even after doing enough, you're also at the receiving end. Maybe you should ignore everything. Even your confidant may suggest that you should listen from one ear and take it out from the other ear. At work, I'm definitely picking up that Aries, you can expect positive feedback. Like I said, contentment will be there on the card. So you have a very professional approach, and that is why you're going to get credit. The first 10 days, that means 1st to 10th January 2021, we have the Fool card. And another card we have here is the Two of Pentacles. So this is certainly a new beginning for you. But you also find yourself juggling money and energy or money and resources. Ideally, Aries, I think you will have to follow your instinct rather than rely on suggestions that others make. Maybe some person has helped you in the past, but then you shouldn't always rely on that person. Sometimes, greed can be harmful as well for us. Because if we are avaricious or if we are greedy, then we end up squandering whatever we have earned. There will also be those times when you could be irked because of questions that are posed at you. Maybe there are also interruptions that are there which could irk you a bit. So you have to find a way around. You have to maneuver the impediments that are going to be there. Sometimes your superior could also make those biting remarks, or there could be envy also that you have to fight. Incidentally, some people may be feeling at work or on the home front that you're the one who gets preferential treatment. Aries, you could also help yourself if you would not presuppose things. Sometimes, there'll be contradictory information before you, so you may not know how to act. So, deliberate before you proceed. From 11th to 20th January, we have the Page of Swords. You are someone who is going to take the bull by the horns. You're going to cut through the obstacles. You want to make quick progress. But in this period, I think you are someone who is also very firm with respect to your life choices or decisions with respect to work. You may have to deal with a person or a father figure. So there could be differences with the father figure, which I am picking up. Maybe there will be also technical issues in this month that you have to deal with. Even gadgets also, there could be issues with respect to gadgets also, or maybe there are disagreements with respect to gadgets. Maybe someone is not giving you the gadget, or you're not being provided with the technology that you need to proceed at work. Nonetheless, I think Aries, you'll be taking matters headlong. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be a travel-related work offer, but then these are early days, or it may not work out. Possibly it could fizzle out. All in all, I think in this period, Aries, you should have a flexible approach. Maybe you should also deal with work on a priority basis, and focus on your goals and be patient as well. While working with clients also, I think you should make allowances in this period, because that is the only way you'll be able to make some headway. Towards the final days, we have the 10 of Pentacles, that is between 21st to 31st January. Certainly you will find opportunities to make gains in this period. It is going to be a productive period, so you should promote yourself. You should capitalize on the chances that you're getting. In this period, I'm also picking up that deals will be inked very quickly. So make the most of this period, because it's a material vibration. Maybe there's also going to be an outstation work offer, but it may not excite you as much. As a person in the month of January, I think you should be more collaborative in your approach. Maybe you're someone who's coming across as being too overbearing. Accounting work or bookkeeping could also take up your time, Aries. Some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be interested in spiritual matters. Another thing, I think, Aries, you'll also be concerned about the home. So maybe you're renovating the home or making some changes within the home to improve the energy or the overall environment. With respect to matters of the heart, Aries, we have the card deception. So certainly you are dealing with someone who is quite deceptive, who is not very honest with his feelings. This is why this could perturb you a bit. Maybe an ex-flame could also reach out to you. Maybe he could reconfirm his feelings, but then you have moved on. Single Aries, or those who are crushing on someone, I think you would want to take the initiative to start the romance. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there's a possibility of work-related romance. Somebody could enter your life who could pull at your heartstrings, but then you may put limitations on yourself as well. Perhaps you should go with the flow. Those who have someone on their mind, or those who are in an unacknowledged relationship, maybe you want to move forward and renew contact with the person, or you want to confess your feelings, but then your confidant or people around you may tell you not to be so persuasive. So maybe you're being deceptive in respect to the feelings that you have. Maybe you're hiding yourself behind the tree. This figure here is hiding behind the bark of a tree. So you're hiding your feelings on account of other people's opinions. I'm also thinking that you should not be too clingy. That is what your confidant may tell you, because see, this person is clinging to the tree. So maybe the person thinks that you're coming across as being a clingy person. So you should give this relationship space and time, because what's meant to be will always come your way. Those who are romancing, I think romancing Aries, you will be having discussions with related to work, or maybe you'll find that your person is going to encourage you. Possibly you could solve problems together. Your intellect could be in full display. Sometimes there are limitations which you feel there shouldn't have been there. Sometimes, there could be times when you feel there's hardly any communication between the two of you. So this could make you a bit distressed as well. You wish that he would be more open with his emotions and feelings rather than be deceptive. Those who are married Aries, I think you should be more tolerant of each other or your partner. Someone around you at home or on the home front, somebody could suffer from ill health, so that money could be spent on account of this, and this could also affect the relationships that you have with your loved one. Interestingly, there will be those periods in the month when you'll be in a romantic mood, so you should be more open to romance, or listen to love songs, or be in a romantic mood, because romance definitely can help you and help your relationships. For some of you, I'm also picking up that in case you're collaborating with your person, or in case you're helping your partner at work, then you may find that he could divulge information about things that you were not privy to. So this could leave you with raised eyebrows. Some Aries could also be dealing with domestic violence in this month, so be careful about that. Maybe your in-laws may also resent you. Maybe you think that you have no future in the marriage, so in case you're in an extramarital relationship, maybe you desire a future with your lover. Nonetheless, in case you're in an extramarital relationship, I think you should be very careful, because there's a chances, or the odds are very high that your relationship could be busted. From the angels, or messages from the angels, we have the card Cloud Shapes and Guardian Angels. Certainly this month you're going to get signs, so look up into the skies. The clouds could also form some shapes, and that could give you something to chew about or something to ruminate on. So these are symbols and signs with the messages that the universe is giving you. Even while you're listening to songs, be open to the idea of getting a message through those songs. Another card we have here is Expect a Miracle. This is Archangel Michael. So in case you're concerned about somebody's health, you should ask Archangel Michael to intervene, because his healing energy is definitely healing the person concerned. Or maybe even you are suffering from an illness or some kind, then you should ask Archangel Raphael to come in and step in, because he is definitely going to help you in this situation, and you can expect positive results. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week, in case you want greater insight into your love life. Before I sign up, I would ask you to subscribe to my channel. Possibly you could also share this video with your friends and acquaintances. Also like this video and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified about our future videos. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.